Our friends at Strich sent us this luxury guitar stool or guitar seat with breathable, sturdy, and really plush leather that will last for a long time and will withstand a lot of weight because it's very firm. And this is good for kids, for students, for adults. It doesn't matter. It also is made out of cast metal, so it's very solid. Everything is made out of cast metal, and it's amazing. It's adjustable. It has 5 degrees of height that you can adjust it to, as well as the footrest is adjustable as well. See, you undo it here, and you can put it here. The footrest is something that sometimes people overlook or don't understand how important it is to have a good footrest. So I recommend it. I've been sitting on it practicing. It's going to stay there. It's going to stay there. I have a good story with these seats. These seats are very important because for some musicians, the seat is part of the performance. I used to be a tour manager and a production manager for concerts, and one time I had to work I got to work with Jose Feliciano, who is a very accomplished guitar player. And his chair, we had a performance in Puerto Rico, and his chair was lost in transit. And then I thought, well, let's just get another chair, and he said no, because the position of the chair is the one that he uses for practicing, and the footrest was very high. It was a very high profile, so the footrest had to be of a specific height, and his chair was custom made to have that specific height. So I only tell you this story because it's important to understand how important it is to have a good chair, to use this nice chair, and to be able to use this chair not only to practice, but to perform. And the great thing about this chair is that you undo it here, right? And you can, these legs come together, you see? And then it's perfect for taking it with you. It's portable. You can take it with you to perform anywhere you go. And it's not going to take a lot of space. It's hard to do with one hand, but there's a way of undoing here, right? And then you can take this out, right? You can take this out. Right? Okay. You take it out, and then it turns the profile differently. You see? So now you can put it in the back of your car without any problem, and it travels with you. This is going to be my new chair, and I'm so excited, and I thank the guys at Strich for sending it to me. Super recommended.